This video is based on the technical analysis of gold, and we're on the monthly chart. And I believe that gold long term is very much bearish. And the reason why I say so is because if you were to look at this particular chart, which is the monthly chart, we can see that the market had given us what seems to be a triple top over here, which has a neckline at that point. And ideally, we want to see price completing the structure by closing below the neckline, heading back up to the neckline to give it a test, and at that point is where we would look for further sell opportunities to around this level, as I said, to complete this very nice triple top, right? So what else do we see in regards to the monthly chart of gold? Another thing that I see that I think is also very much important, over and above the fact that we have this triple top over here, you would see that the market had also given us what seems to be an overextended M structure over there. And you guys know, whenever we have these, we want to see price breaking sufficiently below the neckline, and we can see that at that point price broke below the neckline of that M structure. And then what we want to see happen next is the market move further up to the neckline to test it, and at that point, as I always say, is where we would look for further sell opportunities, especially if that level aligns with any key numbers that we have in regards to the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So let's continue. What else do we see in regards to this chart, right? So I would say that at the very least, expect price to at least reach that point, um, as opposed to perhaps reaching this level over here, because a lot of you would say that the chances of price, coming down to this level are very slim. If that's the case, I believe, as I said, that at least price should come to this level, because this level is also very much a very strong level of support at this point in time, and it's also the neckline, as I said, of this triple top over here. Another thing that I also want to bring to your attention is that we have this candlestick over here, and it's a bearish candlestick with a small body and quite a long lower wick, and you guys know it tells us that we have a lot of money stuck here in the form of liquidity. And as much as I'm saying that at the very least the market should come to this level, right, we may actually see price move further down to around this level to close at that level to trigger that liquidity that I just spoke about, and then we may potentially see the market move further up. But as I said, in conclusion, my bias is for the market to actually move further down to around this level to complete this very nice triple top, right? Another thing that I also want to bring to your attention is that as much as we have this candlestick over here, which is a liquidity candlestick, we also have another one at that point, which is very similar to this one in that it too is carrying a lot of liquidity, and it motivates and gives us more reason for why we may see the market actually, move further down to around that level.